Meaning of gobbet.
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 gobbet,
Gobbet. The word gobbet can have a few different meanings depending on the context, but most commonly it refers to a small piece or chunk of something, particularly food. It could also refer to a brief extract or snippet of text used in educational or analytical contexts. Overall, the word gobbet suggests a small, discrete, and often somewhat inconsequential unit of something larger. In conclusion, gobbet is a term with multiple definitions, but generally denotes a small fragment or portion of something.